Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the element that will hold the link, text, shape, or an image. Once selected, make sure you already know the exact target, a slide number, a file name, or a full URL, because PowerPoint needs that reference. Next, right-click and choose Link or Hyperlink from the context menu. This opens the dialog where you specify destination type. Once done, you're ready to choose internal or external linking so the interface shows relevant fields. You now insert the link. Go to Insert Link or right-click and select Link. If linking inside the presentation, choose Place in this document and pick the exact slide so navigation is precise. If linking to a file or web page, paste the full path or URL and verify the display text reads correctly. Make sure the link type is correct because PowerPoint stores different actions for slides versus external addresses, and that prevents broken or unexpected behavior during the slideshow. You finish by testing links in slideshow mode. Click each linked element to confirm it navigates where you expect. If you edited slides later, make sure internal links still point to the right slide. Update targets through the link dialog. For external files, use relative paths when sharing the deck to avoid broken links. If something fails, check file locations and PowerPoint security settings. Often adjusting path or enabling links in Trust Center resolves common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.